Yeah. Kiva kuri filime ariko itangizwa n'intare. Bebe. Ku gasobanurifilms.com. Kuri n'umunyamakuru kuri radio mu gitondo. Tubakinira akarimbo mukunda. Dave Batista, Jason Momoa, Mama we. The Wrecking Crew. Ko tugiye kureba. Bimeze bite? Filime y'umwaka. Kumbe hakurikira. Umugabo uri kumureba uri ku gatelefone kandi agenda mukanurira wa musaza uri gusita sita. Uko dutangiye filime yacu. Uze yaraje ashira document hano. Uruhara rukubwira ko utazigera ubona amafaranga ni heba. Ko barwita. Zageze hano yibishati. Yagasani. Muzeyi imodoka yaramwambaye. Nuko tugatangiye. Muzeyi baramugonze. Nete zimeneka gutyo. Waka director tuvyara tugarukana Dave Batista. Uyu mugabo ni icyamamare muri ya mikino bita wrestling. Sinzi aho mwakwiye ngo yitwa Catch. Mugabo ari hano. Mugabo ari munsi y'amazi nakorera umwitozo we. Akomeza igihaha. Hari abandi bari kugenda hano yereka uko bikorwa mwicaye imbere wa mbere. Abananiwe bava mu mazi. Abananiwe bava mu mazi bikuramo hari utinze murapfa.
That's the best you can
byari biki.
Go out and ring that fucking.
Bira nibyo mushoboye gukora. Gusohoka amazi naravuze inzogera. Ni cyo bafukiriza inzogera basohora mu mazi.
30 seconds.
Tugiye gusubira mande basegonda 30. Wese muri piscine. Mugameze nk'umutoza.
Commander Halle.
Come on.
Commander Halle. Kumbe n'abasirikare.
Commander Halle.
Commander Halle.
On call.
Ufite telefone.
Wait, tell me to call back.
Nimba ari umugore wanjye mubwire ngo ndamuhamagara. Ni polisi guhamagaye. Kumbe hano baje kumwereka umurambo wa musaza. Twatangiye bago. Baby. Nyaki maze kugenda.
Shows you hit and run.
Yagonzwe n'impanuka isanzwe hit and run kumwe umuntu akugonga kirukanganye.
Certificate by tomorrow.
Ejo tuzagwa kopi y'ibyo twapimye n'ibisubizo bya polisi. Ko tugatangiye ukabona umusirikare.
Wow, cooking dinner.
Oh, uri guteka ibya nijoro.
Trying to get in my pants.
Well,
Ariko uri kunekera kugira ngo urebe ko twaryamana n'umugore. Cyane.
is it working? Hey, what I say about running in the house?
Sinabwiye ngo nimukarakange mu nzu umusirikare.
Yes, sir.
Yega fande papa ibyana barashize kuri discipline.
Lonnie has a dentist appointment.
Cyari sawa
Usual.
nk'ibisanzwe.
What are competency drills with the new cadets?
Bazanye abakadete bashashe rende kubatoza.
Don't know how many are gonna make it though.
Sinzi abazabasha gupasinga.
There you are.
Abonye nakabaraga uzabafasha.
Also, Walter finally managed to get himself killed.
Ikindi Walter yapfuye yagonzwe.
Go down the morgue, ID the body.
Nagiye muri morgue bampamagaye ngo ndebe ko ari papa wanjye.
Traffic down there is out of control.
Papa we yapfuye mugabo. Yeah.
An extra 45 minutes to get home.
Byanwe iminota 50 kugira ngo ngere hano.
Babe, I'm so sorry.
Shiri wihangane.
Do you want to talk about it?
Tubiganireho kuba so yapfuye.
Not really.
Oya tubyihorere wumve tuvuye tugaruka kurino. Hari uri ku kimoto. Urabona ariko Jason Momoa. Mama we. Ibyamamare gusa. Hari uri gupakira. Sibapakiye.
You're packing because.
Uri gupakira.
Why is everything in the car?
Kweri ibintu byose uri kubishyira mu modoka.
Going. What the hell's going on?
Ibice bicya mbere.
Valentina, please talk to me.
Valentina mvugisha.
He wants to talk.
Tubiganireho.
We talk all the time.
No.
Ushaka ko tuvugana noneho buri gihe ariko turavuga.
Talk and talk and talk and talk. But you don't hear me.
Buri gihe ndavuga ariko ntujye unyumva.
I'm a grown-up, Johnny.
Ubu ndi umuntu ukuze Johnny.
Bank.
Ndi manager wa bank.
You're dicking up.
Akwirirwa mu mafuti hirya no hino.
Police officer.
Nanjye ndi umufisi wa polisi.
Shitty day at work.
Nagize umunsi mubi.
But I'm still the same guy that you fell in love with.
Ariko ndacyari wa mugabo wakunze.
It never will change.
Oh, fuck. This isn't
Ntabwo ujya uhinduka.
boundary shit, right? Oh, I'm sorry. Valentina, please look at me.
Valentina.
I'm sorry.
Babarire.
I hear you.
Ndakumva. Ndetse cyane. Ugiye kumbabarira.
Sorry, I'm sorry. I'm making up.
Nene. Baby.
Oh!
Ushi. Itacho. Umugore aramutaye. Ni sheri waramutaye. Sheri amusiragiye. Sheri wagarutse. Umve.
Damn it.
Siche.
Not again.
Nanone kweli.
So fucking horny.
Noneho numvaga nshaka ko hashya rwose. Hari ukuntu umuntu nicyo kimubabaje. Yeah.
Hi.
Cyo nibite.
This is Layla Halle.
Ni Layla Heri muvugana.
I'm James's wife.
Tu umugore wa James.
Hi, James' wife.
Kubire muvandimwe wa James. Bitu umugore wa James ntago turahura na rimwe.
Crazy.
He nubusazi pe.
Listen.
Umva.
Your father, Walter.
papa wawe Walter
I'm afraid he's passed away.
yapfuye.
I figure he died years ago.
Njye nari nzi ko yapfuye kera.
He died yesterday.
Yapfuye ejo.
The funeral's tomorrow.
Ejo nibwo bazamushyingura.
And you'll come.
Twizere kuzaza gushyingura.
I know it's been a long time.
Ndabizi yari yashize igihe kinini mutavugana.
James couldn't call me himself.
Kubera iki James atanyihamagariye muvandimwe wanjye.
Complicated history with
Urabizi weho nawe mufitanye amateka arimo ihungabana ya kera. Mufitanye ibibazo.
You sound like a shrink.
child psychologist, actually.
Kuvuga nk'aba bantu ariko bagira abantu inama ye nita ku buzima bwo mu mutwe bw'aba. Kumbe muri iyo nzu arimo hari abandi binshi. Ngiye kuryama niyumvira ibitabo mu buryo bwa audio. Bamushyira icyuma ku ijosi. Ari kuri telefone.
Hello? Johnny.
Johnny.
Just got the wrong house, man.
We mwibeshye ku nzu yanjye ariko. Urani mwayobye.
Oopsie.
Akomeza arakamu.
Detective Johnny Halley.
Detective Johnny Halley.
6 Arrowwood Lane.
26 Arrowwood Lane. Aderesi za utuye.
It's the right house.
Yego huko niho ntuye.
Walter sent you a package.
Papa Walter tarapfa yakohereje agapfunyika. Kari hehe?
Dead, man.
And you join.
Yapfuye ariko.
Now, if you don't give me.
Utaduha agapfunyika nawe urapfa. Aje kumaza agapfunyika ngo papa yamusigiye.
So Walter sent.
Wibuke papa wajya gupfa ahantu twabonye ashugunya kana.
Or he wouldn't have sent it to me, okay? So
Papa wanjye twari tumaze imyaka myinshi tutavugana.
go when you're watching.
Niyo yaba ari uwohereza agapfunyika singiye ari kukoherereza. Gabo! Nambara. Iratangira. Uretse. Filime yacu. Utangiye. Bayakuza. Barabaza agapfunyika. Bebe. Yeah. Bebe. Asoma kungwe jini. Mwabakinga mwe. Nambara. Areba muri firigo akuramo ingwe jini yindi arangwa abaginga banteye inyota n'umugabo n'umusinzi jawo. Iyo foto nuyikoreho. Iyo foto ya mama yonyine nsigaranye yonyine cyita kibimena. Ajya kuri tatuwaje ayikuraho yakuza baramubaza iki. Boy tuzwi ko yagonze ari impanuka. Kuramo ifoto ya mama we. Yeah.
Fuck you, Walter.
Urakijyaho Walter ni papa we. Ifoto yarayihinnye hisha Walter. Yeah.
Hey, Marco.
I guess he
Papa we yari private detective. Baba detective bikorera bamwe bakora iperereza ariko bikorera badakorera leta. Kumbe Johnny yaje gushyingura. Mwene John ni James.
We're good. I was worried this would be awkward.
Shana rimfite ikibazo ko bishobora kuba bibuje.
Really does the talking for you.
Umugore wawe asigaye akuvugira se.
Probably asked why you're dressed like a gorilla.
Umugore wanjye ari kwibaza impamvu wambaye nk'ingagi.
You got sand in your vagina.
Y'umutinganye.
Kowa.
Umeze nk'ufite umucanga mu gitsina. Ubwo cy'umugore kandi n'icyamubwiye abwira muvandimwe we. Akoresha imvugo mbi wari uri gusoma misarikanga.
You got fat.
Warabyibushye.
I can lose weight. You're still.
Nanuka nkoze siporo ariko we warashaje uzakomeza usaza.
For a minute.
I haven't decided yet.
To share.
Gafana nawe yaje hano yegera imbere azadusangize umubano we n'uriya mugabo wapfuye guverineri avayo. Uyu musaza wapfuye Walter yari umuntu uzwi dore guverineri nawe yaje gushyingura.
Keo.
Kirimi bavuga ari abagenda bavangamo baje gushyingura n'imigenzo yo ku kirwa cya Hawaii bagiye gushyingura bagira ukuntu bikorera utuntu twa. Yeah.
You kept Malia's house?
Inzu ya Maria warayigumanye.
Yeah, I took over the mortgage after.
Yego nafashe ideni amaze gupfa.
It's a lot smaller than I remember.
Mbona yabaye ntoya kurusha uko nibuka.
I was always small.
Yahoze ari ntoya n'inzu.
She made room for you anyway.
Icyumba cyawe kiracyarimo.
Yeah, and you fucking hated that.
Warabyangaga kuba icyumba cyanjye kiri muri iyo nzu.
Johnny the bastard.
Wanyitaga ngo ndi Johnny w'ikinyendaro papa wacu yabyaye hanze.
Fucked around on your mother and you never let me forget it.
Jesus.
Bega ndi ikimenyetso kikwibutsa ko papa wawe yaciye inyuma mama wa kaza kambyara hanze.
Malia for Kim, it broke up my family.
Nanjye byarambabaje kuba rwose yarasize Maria akajya gushaka umugore wundi wa kabiri ari we mama wawe.
Then maybe you still have it.
Ni abavandimwe bahuje papa gusa ntabwo bahuje ba mama. Uracyari ikinyendaro ariko n'ubundi. Mvuko nawe ya famille. Baje gukaraba. Niko babyita. Babonye iyo umaze gupfa turagenda tukanywa tukanarya bakabyita gukaraba. Ariko ubundi nyine ubundi imvugo nziza tuba turi gushinyagurira umurambo tunaserebura ko tukuruhutse ugiye. Ariko ntago we wabimenya. Tuba tugukarabye nyine.
Your mother would have been very happy.
Mama wawe rwose yabari nakabona ko we n'umuvandimwe wawe mwongeye guhuza ari kwishima.
To hear that Malia had passed on.
Yeah, you,
Bari kumva ko Maria yapfuye.
you were like a son to her.
Wari nk'umwana kuri uri kuzuka mushyingura.
That wasn't her son.
Ntago nari umwana uriya mugore, ni umugore mukuru wa papa we.
Literally fucking dumbass.
Agatafari, uravuze ngo agatafari. Umve. abana bari bahari Anta ari gutukana agatafari mushiki wabo.
So,
none se
are you seeing anyone, Johnny?
Johnny ufite sherisa muri iyi minsi?
Yes.
Cyane baramureba.
No,
aya nako simbizi iki kigoryi.
Well, I think Walter would have really appreciated you being here.
Walter iyaza kuba tapfuye kunezerwa no kuburi hano.
I came to find out who killed him.
Naje kumenya ninde wamwishe.
Killed him.
Wamwishe?
What are you talking about?
Aravuga ibiki? Ni imodoka yamugonze mu mpanuka irigendera bisanzwe.
Money, don't worry about it. I don't expect you to help me.
N'ubundi ntabwo nari ko wamfasha gushaka uwishe papa.
About my mother.
Na mama wanjye apfa niko wavuze nk'ibyo uvuze. Ntacyo wamfashije. Kamamagaze bahurire hanze baganire.
What's the matter? Truth hurt?
You need to get your head out of your ass.
Oh, it's a great.
Tekuvana ukagenda.
Who killed Walter?
Hari umuntu ngo wishe Walter.
The guy in over 20 years. No.
Maze imyaka 20 utavugana na papa. None ngo urashaka kumwinjirira mu buzima ngo umenye ngo ni bande ngo bamwishe n'ibiki.
Fucking superpower. That's
imbaraga zawe nukuva ntago wabyumva.
Let's
go back to your life.
Subira mu buzima bwawe n'ubundi cyo kubishakira genyine. Yari manuka. Yaje mu kabari. Kamwe barakamuguriye. Arakamira. Baby, Alikai.
I didn't think that even you were dumb enough to come.
Ntabwo nari nzi kuri ikigori kibihagije ku buryo wagaruka muri uyu mujyi. Kumbi yatangiye kuzubara. Bamurogiye muri shoti bamuhaye y'ubuntu. Yatangiye kumva iseri.
Hello, Johnny Haley.
Bite Johnny Haley?
Mr. K.
Mr. K.
Good to see you.
Kiza kubona.
You know, you showed a lot of character, Bono.
Twakunze uburyo cyo wagarutse hano kugira ngo papa waruhuke mu mahoro.
Why you can still take a piss standing all memory.
Urabizi sendika yacu dufitanye ibibazo nawe tukwibukiraho. Wababaje abantu bayirimo. Mwishe mama wanjye.
Maybe not.
Bishoboka ko ariko twamwishe cyangwa atari twe twamwishe. Bamushyirana. Mugiye bamushushanya inyuguti ya K.
Now but not for long. I'm going to give you.
Iyo nyuguti gushizeho ya K iraza kukurinda bitarenze iminsi 7. Kangutse yisanga hano. Nabagabo babaribwe bibera ku kirombe tuvera twigarukire kuri polisi.
Detective Reynard.
Mu gitondo. Detective Reynard.
Detective Reynard.
Detective Reynard.
How you doing?
James yaje kuri polisi mu gitondo na fande.
Walter, sir.
Banyita Commander James Ndumungu wa Walter.
We lost, truly.
Twamenye ko yapfuye umwihangana. Aho yagonzwe muri Karihi.
So there are no witnesses.
Abantu baho nta muntu ujuvugana na polisi cyangwa ngabo umutanga buhamya.
One.
Nta kamera se. Kamera zari kumanda ntago zakoraga. Uzifate papa wa mugonzi.
We got like what, 2 guys in a truck fixing them budget cuts.
Kamera zaho hantu ntago twigeze dutanga bije kugira ngo bazikore nk'umujyi.
Killed in the dead zone. No one's giving another look.
There's no
papa wanjye yapfuye none nta n'umuntu ushaka kubirebamo.
straight hit and run.
Nyine ni hit and run yagonzwe mugonzi ariruka.
Sure we do. All 46 of them.
Ubankanguye bica papa ninjye dubu. Bisa amenye ko bishoboka ko papa washobora kuba yishwe. Kurikijwe amagambo atangiye kubwirwa n'abapolisi ubwabo. Nabwo n'abadashaka gukora iperereza ngo bamenye ngo ninde wamugonze. Yaje anabona mu bintu papa yapfuye afite yaragendanaga hakurino aho bibera. Kumbe hakurino hari undi uhari. Ni Johnny yamaze kugera mu byarashaka gukora iperereza amenye muzehe nasize. Hari uwinjiye yamureba ni umugabo w'akawarata yinjira no muri ofisi aza gusakasaka na ofisi ya papa we wapfuye. Hari ikigori yayibonye mu kiri gusakasa. Itakano kitagicomoka. Ciao urabe. Jejejeje. Haraka. Agarutse mu Buruseli.
Walter wasn't a
Fisha papa wanjye. Walter yari nka papa wanjye kuri njye.
Would you know? Because I'm his son.
Ubizi utero ngende umuhungu.
Oh shit. You're Johnny.
Wewe Johnny. Papa we twari tuzire.
Wow. Look, I just worked for your dad, kid.
Papa naramukoreraga.
Emails and tapped the phone.
Njamo akingiraga email y'abantu ajya gutega udukurura amatelefone y'abandi kugira ngo abumvirize. Papa yari private investigator cyangwa se detective.
Interrupter, bro.
What's the last thing he had you?
N'abantu wishyura bikora bakagukora iperereza ry'ibintu byose ushaka.
Get a job with New Law.
Papa wanjye ajya gupfera yansabye gushaka kujya gusaba akazi muri company.
Catering company.
Iteka.
High-end.
Tekera ibirori. Bikomeye.
Around shrimp toast on trays for the last 2 weeks.
Narimaze ibyumweru 2 iyo company yaramaye akazi nikorera amasahane amapurato. Papa wanjye kuki yakubwiye ujye gusaba akazi muri company Iteka.
What the fuck?
Sinzi impamvu yambwiye ngo ujye gusaba akazi muri iyo company cyo yishakaga uko nzamunekera. Kumbe tuvuye ariya. Hakurino. Ndakuzi.
No, I can't say that I was.
Nawe yaje mu kabari kwitaho avuga ibintu biteye isoni biri mu buraya bamuhama ninja. Hano bacuruza abantu.
Noticing your security.
Ndashaka kureba kamera zanyu hano nimba zikora. Aba bavandimwe n'abasajya ajya n'abasozi bino bintu kari uburaya byari bya papa wawe.
I fixed my nose.
Mani gukaraga izuru ryanjye ntacyo byahinduyeho. Wabyeri. Walt ariko yajyaga asurfinga hejuru y'amazi. Wapi yari yaravunitse mu ivi. Sasa papa wanjye gute afite kino kintu bagenderaho hejuru y'amazi kandi yari yaravunitse ivi. Agize gutya ari cyaguye hasi. Yikiguye. Niho map nk'igishushanyo mbonera cy'ahantu. Agari map ni igishushanyo mbonera. Blueprint. Bagomba kuduha uburenganzira bw'ibyacu. Uri kwiyama. Beguri nka assistant.
A survey or something in Walter's apartment, and it's got this government seal on it.
Bonye ikintu cy'igishushanyo mbonera cyari kiri mu rugo rwa papa, ariko we ntaga mwita papa, mwita mwizina Walter. Kandi nyibonyeho kashe za guverinoma bayikuye. Niyo family.
Cocksucking fucker.
Izuru. You need this.
Alopecia, okay?
That's Pika. What are you doing?
Niyo mwita Pika. Urakora icyo?
Same thing as you, I guess.
Gakora icyo nawe ukora
It
hano.
was a hit and run.
So wavuze ngo papa baramugonze ari impanuka se?
Michael, should try.
Kugerageza nyine kureba nimba byaba ari byo cyatari biba amasho. Yafashwe babona video yafashwe bagonga papa wabo imodoka yaramugonze.
Sound like it was nothing.
Imodoka yamugonze nkaho nta cyari cyo.
There's no license plate.
Imodoka itari ifite na plaque kugira ngo umenye ko imodoka yari ifite gahunda yo kwica papa wabo. Nta plaque yari ifite bari babanje kuzikuraho.
What's away after that? Can't be in
Niriya flash yazanye nyiri mu bwoko ngo bw'agapipi, agapipi n'imbaraga ntebe. Bavayo. Batarajya kure hari yabakubise. Modoka yabo barayambaye. Bimeze biti. Kwisha papa wabo hari yabakubise. Turi manuka. Urakoze kunshimira.
Man.
Nabaye ubuzima bwawe ariko. Tugende gatafari.
fucking love that car.
Ina modoka nayikundaga. Niyo uzuruka yanjye sha. Mwatekereza ko ibiki?
4 Yakuza hitters you turned into toast.
Ute muhangara n'abayakuza mu muhanda izuba rimwe.
The Yakuza one.
Bashaka kubwira ngo abayakuza barashaka kubica.
Yakuza? That's what that
Yakuza. Yego.
So this is the brother from Oklahoma.
Uyu n'umuvandimwe we harya ngo ba muri Oklahoma. Yewe ni wengi. Ina fande mbe narubwa kiri umupolisi wamwirukanye mu gipolisi.
Hope you hear.
Ndashaka kubafasha.
No, here. Take this. It's a security cam video.
Ayo n'amashusho yafashwe na kamera ni flash dore flash ariko.
How the hell did you get this?
Ni flash wayikuye.
be targeted right now.
No, you two stop doing this.
Umva muri cyeraho gukora bino bintu.
You harder than you ever been.
Cyangwa se nzabature hasi kurushwa mwigeze muturwa hasi.
East side of the island.
Mbe cya gishushanyo mbonera yahaye imibare umuvandimwe ngaje kumushakira ngo ni igiki. Yaje amubwira ati ni ubutaka buri ahantu.
Mission by the Robichaud.
Bwanditswe kuri company bita ngo Robichaud.
Who's that?
Marcus Robichaud is a big
Robichaud ni iki rero? Ati ni company ariko y'umugabo witwa ngo ni Marcus Robichaud.
her hotels and resorts.
Akaba ari umugabo usanzwe ufite amahoteli wubaka ama resorts.
His family controls
Afite amahoteli menshi mu Burayi muri Aziya.
the industry on the island for
Famiye yakontoraga imirima minini cyane y'ibisheke kuri kino kirwa cyacu n'ibirwa hariyo kasino yashaka kubaka n'igishushanyo mbonera.
Show.
that makes sense. Gambling is illegal here.
Ina urusimbi ntago rwemewe.
Robichaud.
Tugomba kuvugana n'uyu mugabo Robichaud rero.
Hosting.
Twasanze igishushanyo mbonera we wubaka kimwanditseho papa yari yaragishe.
No, you can't. You can't go.
Ntago mwagiwe. Waraye hano se.
Right, James?
James si yarara hano ra?
Yeah.
Narari hano kugira ngo ajye gukodesha lodge. Yaje kurino. Yaraye kwa mukuru we mu igaraje rya mukuru we hari ikimoto. Kuri afite urumoto hano.
What is James doing with you?
Iyi moto nziza nk'iyi James kwera bayitunza atari idage. Bwaravuga mukuru wanjye kari idage atunga gute moto nziza ngombaga kumufunga.
Still can't ride my bike.
Nago nakwemera utwara moto yanjye rega.
This one.
Ariko nagutiza kangaka. Emutije akashaje kumushajirwa. To umuvandimwe wagenda kuri zimwe nziza zigezweho zijyanye n'igihe dore ukuntu amudepanse ibi nakongera akamudepanse barafite ukuntu basuzuma iyi aderese turoni ya nyayo niba nawe ndabona ariho
You boys look lost.
we mwayobye.
That depends. Where are we?
Turi he?
The kingdom of Hawaii.
Turi mu bwami bwa Hawaii.
Yeah, I mean, this valley.
Nyine hano hantu na ahandi.
Do.
Na hanyu.
And I do.
Nanjye na hanjye.
I'll do.
Na hacu twese.
Everybody's welcome here.
Buri muntu wese afite ikaze hano. Baja kurino.
His office went hit and run.
Iriya modoka twayibonye tubona niyo yagonze ishobora kuba yaragonze mupfanyi kahita yiruka.
No plates.
Nta plaque yari ifite.
Have a list of all
Hano mfite liste
vans
y'amamodoka yose y'ubururu
on the island.
ari kuri iki kintu.
Cop here.
Uko weho ntago ukiri umupolisi hano.
You are not a cop.
Nta nubwo uri umupolisi aho waturutse.
Yes.
Sibyo?
Yes. What?
iki cyarangaye cya Pika, dore Pika ari kwirebera umukobwa ruguru iriya. Pika yewe
Hey,
kigori kiwe mukire.
you need you to put what you can about this Hayashi imports. What's that?
Turashaka kumenya ibyahari kakuri no muri ibyo birori aho biri kubera hano hari abamaze kuhinjira gake n'umuta gafunguzo nakagapapuro ahita afata ko ngwaje nk'umuseriveri none ari kunywa birabishye ibintu bitari ingwe jini birabiha aterekana umwakire munyweho mwese yabiciriye mabihumukira bikubita bereza kalohe aza kwiteretera.
Make sure you use soap and fix your car.
Bawoza udusahane ikora urigire neza karariko.
You don't look like you belong here.
Ndabona udakwiye kuba uri hano pe.
Johnny Rascal.
Banyita Johnny Rascal. Johnny wagatafari.
Kinds of trouble to me.
Ndabona umuntu uteza ibibazo pe. Banyita Johnny Haley. Hale.
Walter Hale.
Walter Hale papa wawe nawe yitwaga Hale. Yego ni papa wanjye. Uramuzi?
Yes.
Yego.
What do you mean you? Has something happened to him?
Hari icyamubayeho?
He's dead.
Papa wanjye yapfuye. Nagakobwa bahuye.
I hired him to look into my husband's activities.
Nari naramwishyuye kuko papa wabo wibuke n'umuntu wishyura akagukorera iperereza. Nari naramwishyuye kugira ngo nkorere iperereza ry'ibikorwa by'umugabo wawe. Areba ikarita yabo wa izina ryanditseho ni Nakamura.
Hey, drop that.
Wataye ikarita yawe.
Hayashi Imports.
Hayashi Imports.
What do you know about it?
Hayashi Imports yizihe?
I know that you guys misplaced the blue van.
Nzi ko hari imodoka y'ubururu ya vani mwaparitsana itagombaga guparikwa arabashotora kugira ngo amenye nimba ari bo banyiri ya modoka y'ubururu ya vani y'ubururu yagonze papa wabo arabashotora.
Are you a cop?
Uri umupolisi?
No.
Yeah.
U.S. Navy.
Umusirikare US Navy.
You're the frog man.
Uri igiceri. Abasirikare nyine barwanira mu mazi bano ba US Navy cyo kise kibita ngo ni biceri. Hari akantu ufite kuzuru gahanagura. Ibikokayine. Bisobanuye ko igiceri kitajya kireba impande zombi yo kiri kwambuka umuhanda. Urumva kumucyura ariko papa wawe nyine uko twamwishe kubera uburangare bwe niko nawe twakwica. Ni nko kubyemera umugabo yararakaye. Abagabo bamwemereye ko aribo babikoze mu yandi magambo cyase bazi nuko papa yapfuye. Kino cyo nago cyasiga icupa kiba cyaje no kuvumba gikomeza kinywa Guinness yarakiryohanye. Bino bintu biraryoshye pe.
Now want to go to a fundraiser if they
Bose naho kwishyuza mu nzoga.
Looking at you.
Barebye mwembi.
Big man.
Abagabo banini bateruye ibyuma.
That most people when they see you will.
Y'abantu benshi babonye kubera muri abagabo bateruye ibyuma babasore batekereza ko
a pair of lumbering
bega ibigoryi bibiri biberanye. Niko babona. Sibyo? Y'abantu babonye babonamo ibigoryi.
Not me. I look
Ariko nje simbabonamo ibigoryi.
your eyes and I can see that you are smarter than you look.
Gusa nubwo mugaragara nk'ibigoryi nje n'ukuri ndi kubona bufite ubwenge.
No, not him.
Oya uyu we ntabwo afite. Wamaze koza ibyombo.
I was interrupted by some coked up yakuza.
Hari abayakuza bambangamiye. Yavayo hano. Yasanze wa mugore yapfuye. Yaraje kureba umugore wa Robisho. Jano yarakaye.
Fuck.
Wa gifaransa iki kigoryi. Kubisa amashanyarazi. Yeah. Wishe umugore wawe. Ndabizi wamwishe.
I'm supposed to have killed today. You killed your wife.
Ninde nishe se wishe umugore wawe. Wishe papa wanjye wishe n'umugore wawe. James ni ukohereje. Nani ni umpamagaye. Shikiwe. Polisi nibo bireba babikore. Nakazi kawe. Rebe uyu ni guverineri.
I loved Walter.
Papa ya Walter naramukundaga.
Something inside him
ariko hari ikintu cyari kiri muri we cy'umwijima
caused him to destroy everything good in his life.
Ku buryo byatumaga arimbura ikintu cyiza cyose kiri mu buzima bwe.
Over again.
Bihora bigaruka. Ishimo ruri muri papa wawe.
It lives in you.
Nawe ndi kukubonamo nawe urimbura ibintu byose byiza. Mahalo nimba bisobanuye. Bano kuri iki kirwa bagira ibirimi bivugira Hawaii. Yesu aza hano. Amucata namusuhuje. Johnny. Hey! Johnny yaraka. Mutwe. Funze. Bebe. Turi nambara. Ya gukora kujishe uyaraborokarira na muri umuntu we mugiye mukeneye.
Away James.
Waranyirukanye James.
To prison.
Wari ugiye gereza.
Syndicate was gonna fucking
sendika yari igiye kukwica yinaha nibagizi ba nabi iyo batagufunga wari kwicwa.
I was trying to fucking protect you.
Nari ndi kugerageza kukurinda.
I said you wouldn't fucking.
Ntago nari nzi ikindi kintu cyo gukora, ntago wanyumvaga. Yari yasaze. Ndabizi naragutengushye.
Fucked up.
Koza amakosa.
And I fucking gave up on you.
Ndi mukuru wawe ariko naragutereranye. Nakabaye narabikoze mu bundi buryo.
Sorry, Johnny.
Babarire Johnny. Icyo mfite ni umushinya gusa muri kano kanya.
Why are you chasing me so hard?
Iki bino bintu uri kubyirukaho cyane. Papa niyakubereye umwana mwiza kuko uri gushaka bamwishe cyane.
Kill my mom.
Ntago nabonye umuntu wishe mama.
Oh, we killed my father.
None hari umuntu wishe papa. Hari waje kubatuka sasa. Uyu niwe yavuga.
To be the adult here.
Mwakagombye kuba muri abantu bakuru.
You're a developmentally arrested narcissist with anger issues, and do you really want to...
Muri ikigoryi cyabaswe n'umujinya.
No, don't laugh.
Those guys.
Twabakubise ariko twabagiriye nabi cyane.
I miss you.
Ndakumbuye.
A crime scene.
Oh shit, I forgot about that.
You know what? I don't want to know.
Bambwiye ngo iwawe ngo imeri zabaye nyinshi nari macengo ndebe ibyo ari byo.
Oh, no surprise there.
Ndabona n'amafagitire bari kukwishyuza.
Someone from Hawaii?
Hari umuntu waturutse muri Hawaii wakoherereje agapfunyika.
What's in it?
You think I your mail?
Urakeka nagufungurira imeri ngiye kuyikoherereza.
Too important, you have no idea what's
Iyo
going on.
message ni ingenzi yinzanire. Urebe. Get your message bya byizuyiza. Oh, mon bébé. Akira.
Getting back together? I'm staying for...
Ntago tuzasubirana ndamara umunsi umwe hano kandi ngiye ku mazi nabwo. Muravukana?
Hey, James. Nice.
Banyita James byiza gora nawe. Byiza gora nawe. Nuko ufite ubwenge.
Just want to introduce myself. My name is Pete.
Nanjye banyita Pika. Ugira ikintu cyerera ceceka wa kigoryi. Kumbe hakorino. Turi Hawaii. Aza kuyinjiramo.
Fuck me.
Ski.
I can't get in. Shit.
Yinjiramo biragoye.
I don't know. Some kind of banking firewall or
Bisa nkaho hari ikintu cy'igikuta gisaba password.
Encrypted. The drive is the key.
So whoever's count this
Iyo
is,
flash ahubwo niyo rufunguzo.
do you access their money?
Wabona iflash cyangwa ariyo bakenera kugira ngo binjire ku mafaranga yabo.
Right, you won't find out who it is.
We mucicika ariko ndi kugerageza gufuka
I
singana.
know, I live with him.
Thanks for saving my life, man.
Warakoze gutabara ubuzima bwanjye. Uri intwari.
She's really
Shiri wanjye sarenze yara